Let me show you how I do PEX A connections. Cut to size. Next step, debur it. Deburring is important to create a chamfer and smooth the pipe. Step 3 is inserting the expansion sleeve into the pipe. It has a stop at the end, and what this does is preventing the pipe from going further than it should. This tool is going to expand the PEX so that you can insert the fitting. The cool thing about PEX A is that it will return to its original size, creating a very tight seal. And don't forget to grease your tool.